Welcome to iCart tutorial. In this video, I will take you through the cart items widget. Before watching this video, please make sure that you have installed iCart in your store. If you haven't, then just visit the app store shopify.com/iCart and you can add the app from here. Now coming back, so these are the following options that would let you to customize this content over here, including the widget title, the cart timer, product title, vendor name, variants, compare price and store original price, star rating, image layout, quantity picker including this remove button text, and the total cart discount text, the coupon code, the discount tax, etc. So this is pretty much easier, so I will not go into detail. Now let's see the product upsell, which is the main complicated part of this widget. So here I have already added a product as upsell in the cart. Now let's see. The first option is upsell type. Here you will get two options. The first one is checkbox upsell and second one is product upsell, which we will look into later. So now the first option is checkbox upsell. So it will look like this. And the product type, here you will get two options. Either you can go with the custom product or you can choose specific product. So custom product, in which you can give the name of the product or the offer name over here, and if you want to change the color of this text, then you can go with this color palette. Now this one is to give the offer price, and if you want to change the color of the offer price, then you can use this color palette. Next is offer compare price, that is this one. If you want to change the color of this text, then you can use this color palette. And if you want to change the offer icon, then you can make it from here, and also you can change the offer icon color using this color palette. Now let's see the specific product. So here I've added Apple as a specific product, and when you choose this option, you can also offer a discount with that product. So this is the title, that is this one, and if you want to customize it, then you can use this field. Next is display comparative price, and that is this one, and if you want to change the color of both this one, that is comparative price color and selling color, then you can use this color palette. Now as I've chosen a specific product, that is Apple, and I want to offer a discount on this product, so I will enable this option, and let's say the discount type that I can offer. So the first option is free shipping. You can give free shipping on that specific product, and also you can change the discount name using this field. Second option is percentage. You can give a discount value using this field, and also you can change the discount name using this field. And the last option is fixed amount, that is you can give a fixed amount of discount on this upsell product. Now the next option is product upsell. Let's see it. So here you will get a couple of options that you want to show the product as upsell. The first one is Shopify recommendations. Shopify recommendations uses AI, and it will automatically display a product as upsell based on the customer's interest. And this is the exclusion tags, where you can exclude a particular product from the collection. For example, I have added shirts, so if the shirt is there in the recommendation, then it will not display as a product upsell for your customers. Next option is cheapest product in the cart. It will pick the most cheapest product from the cart items and will display as the product upsell for your customers. Here also you can exclude a particular product. Now next is most expensive product in the cart. It will pick the most expensive item from the cart and will display as the product upsell for your customers. Here also you can exclude a particular product. Now next option is specific product. Here you can choose a specific product. I have chosen Apple, and here are the conditions, that if Apple is already there in the original cart, then you can display that product anyway, or you can hide the featured product, or you can display an alternative product and choose the product from this option. So let's go with Shopify recommendations, and we'll disable the exclusion tags. Now this option will allow you to change the product title, and if you want to change the text of that title, then you can use this color palette. Now by enabling this option, you can show the variant selection, and this color palettes would help you to change the variant box background color, variant text color, variant border color. Now clicking on this checkbox, you can show the name of the vendor, and if you want to change the color of that vendor's name, then you can use this color palette. Now this section is the main one, that is if you want to offer a discount on this product upsell, then you can enable this checkbox. Let's see the types of discounts that we can offer. The first one is free shipping. So here you can add the condition that only apply for item over $40, which means the upsell product should be of $40 in order to get the free shipping, and you can change the discount name using this field. The second option is percentage. Here you can add the discount value that you want to offer for your product upsell, and also you can change the discount name using this field. Next option is fixed amount per item added. Here I've added discount value $10 and only apply for item over $40, which means if my product upsell is of $40 above, then I will get a discount of $10 on that upsell product. Now last option is fixed amount. So here I've added discount value $10 and only apply for item over $40, which means if the upsell product is of above $40, then I will get a $10 discount on that product. So I will go with the percentage one. Now let's check this condition in the front after saving these changes. Now I will add this upsell one. So now I have got a 10% discount on this upsell product. Now coming back, this option will allow you to show the price. Few options are there. I will go with the first option, store price only. Now these two color palettes would help you to change the compare to price color and the selling color. Now next option is button text, that is add button, that is this one. If you want to change this button background color and the button text color, then you can use these two color palettes. Now next option is display star reviews. If you want to show the star ratings in your with your products, then you can enable this checkbox. So I hope this video was useful to you, and I invite you to check out the rest of our videos about other widgets of iCart. If you want further help, please feel free to contact us using this live chat button. Thank you for watching this video and have a great day.